Good morning, and welcome to the Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy, your AI news avatar. Today's top story: gunmen have kidnapped at least 20 people, including a pastor and a new bride, in two separate attacks in Nigeria. In Kogi State, attackers stormed a Cherubim and Seraphim church during Sunday service, firing shots and abducting the pastor, his wife, and several worshippers. In a separate incident in Sokoto State, a bride preparing for her wedding was taken along with her bridesmaids and other guests who had gathered to support her. Meanwhile, around 250 school children and 12 teachers remain missing after a major school abduction in Today, I'm going to show you how to create a professional TV news broadcast using AI. Turn everything into a realistic news broadcast video. And finally, merge your clips into any length you want. Remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss future tutorials. Let's get started.
So the first step is to create your news AI avatar and a professional news background. So I opened my ChatGPT. I told ChatGPT what I want. I told him I would like to create a professional TV news broadcast featuring a female presenter. Please provide a complete broadcast prompt that includes the visual style, presenter description, camera movements, lighting, and overall tone. Additionally, include the following on-screen graphics: AIJS News. That's my logo. It should be placed on top left corner inside a red square box. Then, secondly, a live indicator placed at the top right corner. So this is what I asked ChatGPT to give me. Then I'll go ahead and click on this arrow button here. So if you need this prompt, I'll be dropping it on my description. Maybe you can use it to generate your own. It will give you exactly the same thing that I have here. Our prompt is ready, so I'll go ahead and copy it. Looking at it, you will see the camera movements, the lighting, studio background, on-screen graphics, the things that I asked. That was what it gave me, and the presenter description. So I'll just copy the visual style and the presenter description and head over to my Gemini. If you don't have Gemini, you can download it from your Play Store. If you are using a system, you can open your browser and type Gemini. It will open. Already I have my Gemini, so I will click on this plus button here. You will see upload files. I'll click on upload files. So I uploaded my image. This image is your anchor avatar. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. The only adjustment I made was using the uploaded image without changing her natural look to create a hyper-realistic TV news broadcast. That was the only adjustment I made, and my reason for that is because I want the avatar to have this look. That's the only adjustment I made. You will go ahead and click on this button here. So we'll just submit our prompt. This is the result that Gemini gave us. This is not bad. So guys, I will generate another image using Whisk AI. Maybe we'll compare the two images, then we'll pick the best out of them. If you don't have Whisk, you can download through your web browser. So already I have my own Whisk AI. This is how the interface looks like. You can add your image from here. So we'll just add our image. When I clicked there, you head over to upload image. You click on upload image. So I uploaded my image over here. I will head over to the aspect ratio. We have square, we have portrait, we have landscape. Because it's a YouTube tutorial, I'll be using landscape. Next thing I did was to paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave me. Then clicked on this arrow key and we wait for our image to be ready. Wow guys, our image is ready. How do you see it? Do you think this is better than Gemini? This is fine. So before we continue, if you're learning something new today, go ahead and subscribe and drop a comment below. I will appreciate your engagement. So I think I'll go ahead and download this one that Gemini gave us. So I will click on this download key over here to download my image. I'll choose this one. I'll pick this one. So you see the download button there. You click on the download button. It will go ahead and save on your system. If you're using a phone, it will still save on your phone. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to source your news story. To do that, we have to open our Google, type trending news in Nigeria today, and we search. The trending news that I typed didn't give me what I want, so I typed Nigerian news and hit enter. Let's see. If you're in Nigeria, the trending news currently now is kidnapping news. People are being kidnapped on a daily basis. So this is what we have. A pastor and a bride was adopted. So what we will do is copy the news. I head over to my ChatGPT and pasted the news, and I asked ChatGPT, rewrite this news and make it fluent for the presenter. For example, good morning and welcome to Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy AI's avatar. Today we will bring you a news update from around the world. So I asked ChatGPT to help me rewrite it and make it short. So I will hit on this arrow. So guys, this is what we have here. We'll just copy the prompts bit by bit. So as I copied it, I will head over to Grok AI. We'll be using Grok to animate our AI avatar. I'll be showing you something very important on Grok. Don't move anywhere. So this is how the interface of Grok looks like. So I'll go ahead and click on imaging. So I'll go ahead and upload my image. I'll click on this button here. You will see upload file. You click on the upload file. So our image is here. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. This is my prompt. Good morning and welcome to Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy AI avatar. Don't forget that ChatGPT gave me tone and atmosphere. So I have to copy the tone and paste it on Grok. So I added my tone and the camera movements here. Don't forget. Then one thing again I have to show you guys is, if you want your avatar to talk, you want to have a good animated video with Grok, always put this, a dialogue with perfect lip sync. Then don't forget to put this quotation mark. You come over here and say, she says. You also put that same quotation mark to guide Grok to give you a quality talking video, because if you don't do all these things, the avatar will just be talking without control. So we'll go ahead and click enter. Grok AI will generate our clip, and Grok AI is free for now. So guys, our video is ready. Let's play and see.
Good morning and welcome to the Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy, your AI news avatar. Good morning and welcome to the Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy, your AI news avatar.
I told you guys that I will be showing you how to make a long form video using Grok AI. So what you will do is to click on the video that you generated. But before you click on it, you have to drag this play button here. Drag it to the edge. Did you see that? Then you click on it. You will see a drop down. From that drop down, you will see something like copy video frame. Then you hit on this arrow to go back. Inside this prompt bar, you paste the video frame that you copied. So we just pasted the video frame that we copied. The video frame has been pasted. This is the video frame. So the next thing you will do is to head over to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt. I told you it is better to copy the prompt bit by bit. If you don't copy it bit by bit, and maybe you copy from here to this place where they said Nigeria, Grok AI will rush the words. You won't even understand what the avatar is saying. That is why you have to copy your prompt bit by bit. So we just copy and paste the prompt. So I put dialogue with perfect lip sync and the tone that I want. Why I copied the last frame is for the second frame to continue where the first frame stopped. This news video is a long form video, so I need to use the last frame so it will come sequentially. So guys, I will click on this arrow to generate the next scene. One good thing about Grok is that it is very fast in generating video. So guys, our video is ready. Let's play and see.
Today's top story: gunmen have kidnapped at least 20 people, including a pastor and a new bride. Today's top story: gunmen have kidnapped at least 20 people, including a pastor and a new bride. Today,
always break your news script into short, clean lines, one per clip. Keep generating each line until you finish the entire news broadcast. So as usual, we'll still drag our play button to the end, then copy the last frame and then hit on this back button to paste the last frame. You will continue this process. Keep generating each line until you finish your entire news broadcast. That was how I was able to achieve the video you watched earlier on. Just follow this process and you will have this amazing result. Step 4 is to merge all our clips into full broadcast using CapCut. So we'll go ahead and click on this import. This is all the clips clips that we generated, we'll go ahead and copy all the clips. So we imported all our clips. So we'll go ahead and select the breaking news clip first. Then the second one too, we just bring them down. So guys, I was able to edit my video on CapCut, and this is the result we have here. When you are done editing, the next thing is to export your video. You click on export here, and that is it for now. You go ahead and export your video. So you can reduce your volume if you want to have a stable voice for your presenter, or you can increase it if you want. It's all your choice. So I'm done editing here, so you can even go ahead and play your full news broadcast.
Good morning and welcome to the Judy Spotless channel. I am Judy, your AI news avatar. Today's top story: gunmen have kidnapped at least 20 people, including a pastor and a new bride, in 2 separate attacks in Nigeria. In Kogi State.
Then, if you're okay with what you have, the next thing is for you to tap on the export button, and your full news broadcast video will be saved to your device. And that is exactly how to create a professional AI-powered broadcast, TV news broadcast from start to finish. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who will benefit. Drop your question in the comment section and I will reply you. We have come to the end of our tutorial today. Bye. See you in my next video.